Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Master of Accounts series, and this is CA Samir Totle this side. Okay, in the last video we had looked into what are the types of accounts. Accounts basically are of two main types, personal and impersonal. Personal accounts are the accounts which deals with accounts of persons. Now in this there are three subtypes. First is natural personal account which deals with human being, artificial or legal personal accounts which deals with persons other than human beings, that is banks, cooperative societies, then companies, partnership firms, clubs, trust, educational, institutional, governmental bodies, etc. And the last is group or representative personal account. It deals with groups or it represents some other personal account. So in this we can find out sundry debtors, sundry creditors, outstanding expense, accrued income, pre-received income, prepaid expenses. All these accounts are group or representative personal accounts. In impersonal accounts there are two main types. One is real, the other one is nominal. Real accounts deal with things. Okay, and in real there are two subtypes, that is tangible real and intangible real. Intangible real accounts we deal with things which can be seen, felt or touched, and in intangible real account we find things which cannot be seen, felt or touched. And the last type is nominal account. Nominal account is an account which deals with accounts of incomes or expenses. Okay, now nominal accounts are also known as unreal account. We need to keep in mind one thing, that is nominal account is expense and income which are already received or paid, and group or representative personal account deals with expenses which are outstanding or prepaid, accrued or pre-received. Keep this in mind. Now, in the previous lecture, I had given you a small homework. Now, we'll be discussing that homework. I'll be solving that homework for you. I hope all of you must have done that homework. If you have done it, this lecture would be of great use to you. And if you have made a mistake, please check out where you have made a mistake and try to understand why did you make a mistake. If you have any doubts, you can very well ask it to me. I'll be giving you my mobile number also in the description box. Okay, so let's move on with our homework. The first account for today, what we are going to look into is bad debts recovered. Bad debts is a loss, and if in some case we recover it again, then it is our income. So this becomes a nominal account. So bad debts recovered is a nominal account. It is our income. Now bank charges. Bank charges are charged by bank. Again, this is a nominal account. That is our expense. Bank commission is also our expense. It is charged by bank to us. So it is again a nominal account. Bank of India, it is a personal account. Banks come under artificial or legal person. So it is a personal account. Artificial or legal personal account. Bank overdraft account. Now what do you mean by bank overdraft? It is a loan taken from bank. This loan also denotes the bank itself. Bank overdraft denotes the bank itself, and bank is a artificial or legal personal account. So again, this is also a personal account, artificial or legal. Some of you tend to make a mistake in this account, so please keep it in mind. Bank overdraft is bank loan, and that is artificial or legal personal account. Mr. Bhaviskar's account. Mr. Bhaviskar is a natural human being, so it is a personal account. It is natural personal account. Bills receivable. Now there are two thought processes relating to bills receivable. Bills receivable is a promise received from a debtor on a piece of paper. So you can call it as a real account because it is a piece of paper. But some writers say no, it represents debtors. So some writers do call it as personal account. Bombay University account. Now what is Bombay University? It is a person. It is an educational institution. So what kind of a person it is? It is artificial or legal personal account. Now what are book debts? Book debts denote debtors. Book debts. They not bad debts. Book debts. B-double-O-K. Book debts. Book debts denote debtors. So debtors are basically what? So they are personal account. Brokerage is an expense, so it is nominal account. Building is a thing, it is real account. Which type of real account? It is tangible real, because you can see, feel and touch it. So it is tangible real. BYK, it is the name of a college in Nasik, so it is an educational institution. It becomes personal account. Which artificial or legal personal account? Capital account. Capital account denotes whom? It denotes the owner. Always keep it in mind. It denotes the owner. So it is personal account. See, again there are two thoughts. Some writers call it as natural person and some writers call it as group or representative personal account, but it is personal account. Carriage inward. Now what is carriage inward? It is transportation paid on goods bought. So it is an expense, so it is nominal. Now you should not think that carriage inward is an expense, so carriage outward might be an income. No, carriage outward is also an expense. Now what is carriage outward? It is transportation paid on goods sold. So it is transportation paid on goods sold. Again, it is an expense for the seller. It is a nominal account. Cash account. Cash is a thing. Cash is a thing. So obviously it would become a real account. Cash lost by theft. It is, the name itself says it is a loss. So it would be nominal account. Commission receivable. Now I want all of you to pay attention on this part. It is receivable. So it denotes the person from whom the commission is receivable. It represents the person from whom commission is receivable. So it is a personal account. Which personal account? Group or representative personal account. Commission received. It is already received. So it's our income. So it's nominal account. Commission received in advance. Now it denotes a person from whom we have received the commission in advance. Again, it is a personal account. Keep in mind, friends, one thing, that all outstanding expenses, all prepaid expenses, all accrued incomes and all pre-received incomes are group or representative personal account. If you have made a notebook for this, on the first page of notebook, give a star. This is an important point and write it down. All outstanding expenses, all prepaid expenses, all accrued incomes and all pre-received incomes are group or representative personal accounts. Computer again. Now what is computer? It is a thing. So it is a real account. What kind of a real account it is? Tangible real account. Computer repair. Repair is an expense, then it would be nominal. Copyright. Copyright is a right owned by a person who is writing some kind of a book or a song or a story. So in this case, this is a thing or a right owned by a person. It is real. It is intangible real. It is intangible real. Dadar library account. So Dadar library is what? It is an artificial or legal person. It is not a thing. It is an artificial or legal person. Now what are debentures? Debentures, right now let us take for the purpose of understanding that debentures are something like shares. Okay, it is investment made in the company, something like shares. So debentures are real. Debenture interest is the income what we receive on debentures. So it is nominal. Debtors basically are the people from whom we have to receive money. So it is personal, obvious. Deposit with MSEB. Now this again has two viewpoints most of the time. Because it is a deposit, it represents a certificate, it can be real. And some of you may say, no sir, it represents MSEB, so it can be personal. Directors remuneration, salary paid to directors, nominal. Expense. Discount, obviously expense or income, so nominal. Dividend on shares, income, so again nominal. Donation given is an expense, so again nominal. Now drawings represent whom? It represents the owner. So drawings is personal. Like capital, drawings is also personal account. Electrical equipments are things, so it is real. Tangible real. Electricity is an expense, so it is nominal. Electricity charges are expense. Electricity charges are paid for the office use. Employees provident fund. Employees provident fund represent the employee for whom we are keeping aside the money, so it would be personal. Okay, export duties are expense, so it is nominal. FD, fixed deposit, is a certificate we receive, so it is real. Freehold properties are asset, so it is real. Okay, FD also can be called as personal if you take it to be representing a bank. Okay. Freight is an expense, so it is nominal. Furniture is an asset, so it is real. It is a thing which you can see, feel and touch. Goods are things which you can see, feel and touch, tangible, real. Goodwill is a thing which you cannot see, feel and touch, so it is intangible, real. Import duty is an expense, so it is nominal. Income receivable. Okay, all incomes receivable are personal accounts. Group or representative personal account. Income tax is an expense, so nominal. Interest due but not received is personal. It is accrued interest. It is also called as ACCRUED. Accrued interest. Interest on FDR is income, so it is nominal. FDR is fixed deposit receipt. Interest on loan is again an expense, so it is loan to Rishabh, so it is income. Investment is a thing, it is real. Janlakshmi Cooperative Bank is a artificial or legal personal account. Jyoti Stationery is a artificial or legal personal account. KTHM Boat Club is a artificial or legal personal account. Leasehold building is our asset, it is a thing, so it is tangible real account. Legal expenses are expenses, as the name says, it is nominal account. Livestock account deals with animals which are there in the business. It might be horse, it might be cattle or hen or anything like that. So that would be a thing. So it is real account. Loan account. Loan account denotes the person from whom the loan is taken. So it would be personal account. Loan to Rishabh, again it is Rishabh, so personal account. Loose tools. Loose tools are assets. Okay, they are things. So it is real account. It includes screwdriver, nut, bolt, everything. Then loss by fire. Loss by fire is a loss, so it's nominal. Loss of goods by fire is nominal. Loss on sale of machinery, again loss, nominal. Mrs. Sunita Textile Limited denotes a person, artificial or legal, personal. Okay. Machinery is a thing. So machinery is a thing. So it would be real. Machinery upkeep. Upkeep means maintenance. Upkeep means repairs and maintenance. It is our expense. So it would be nominal. Manager is a person who is working for the business. So is a natural personal account. Manager's salary is our expense, so it is a nominal account. Mr. Kulkarni's capital is personal. Mr. Raghunathan is a natural person. Murkute library is a library. It does not denote the books, it denotes a person. Okay, books would be different. It is artificial or legal personal account. NIT is a company, so it is a personal account. Nivek Club is a club, artificial or legal personal account. Octroi is an expense. It is a tax for bringing in goods in a city, so it is nominal account. Office equipments are things, so it is real. Tangible, real. Office expenses are nominal. Outstanding expenses, sir, we have looked into it, it is personal. Outstanding income, personal. All outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, pre-received income are personal. It denotes the person from whom you have to receive the money or pay the money. Outstanding salaries, personal. Which group or representative? Person. Outstanding wages, again personal. Packing charges, expense, nominal. Parking charges, expense, nominal. Patel and Sons, partnership firm, artificial or legal personal account. Patents, thing, real, intangible, real. Plant, factory, real, tangible, real. You can see, feel and touch it. Power, it is the electricity used in factory. It is measured in horsepower. So it is our expense, so nominal. Premises is our asset, it is tangible, real. Prepaid insurance is personal. Prepaid insurance would be personal. Prepaid rent, all prepaid expenses are personal accounts. Prepaid salaries, again personal. Pre-received fees, all pre-received incomes are also group or representative personal account. Printing and stationery is our expense, so nominal. Professional fees is what you receive as an income, so nominal. Profit on sale of furniture, profit on sale of machinery, both are profits, both are our income, so nominal. Property is a thing, it is real. Proprietor's wife, obviously personal. Bhai, It will always remain personal. Publicity is advertisement, expense, nominal. Railway freight, transportation charges for railway, nominal. Reliance Industries Limited, artificial or legal personal account. Repairs to machinery, nominal. Repairs, nominal. Royalty, it is rent paid for using someone's good, trademark, patent or copyright. It is nominal. Salaries is our expense, nominal. Sales is our income, nominal. If you take it as goods, you can call it as real. If you take it as goods, you can call it as real account as well. Sales tax is our tax, nominal. Saloni is a person, so personal. SBI is a person, so personal. State government securities are things, real. What are they? Investment made by people in general with the government of the country or the state. Then stock is a thing, real. Stock destroyed by flood is a loss, nominal. Stock of stationery is a thing, so real. Sundry creditors are people, personal. Group or representative, personal. Group, personal. Sundry expenses are expenses, miscellaneous, sundry. So these expenses are the expenses which cannot be classified into under a separate head. So they are called as sundry expenses. They are expenses, nominal. Sundry incomes are also nominal. They do not have a separate head. Tata Steel Limited is a company, personal. Artificial or legal person. Taxes are losses or expenses, nominal. Technical know-how, it is intangible, real. Telephone charges, expenses, nominal. Tools are things, real. Trademarks are things, real. Trademarks are intangible, real. Unexpired, that is prepaid. Unexpired means prepaid insurance. Personal, group or representative, personal account. Vehicle is a thing, so real. Tangible, real. Vehicle repair is expense, nominal. And wages is an expense, it is also nominal. So friends, I hope all of you must have gone through it perfectly all right. So these were the types of accounts we were looking into. See, this classification will help you to be confident in what we are going to do. Because for passing journal entries, classification of accounts is very, very, very essential. If you are correctly able to classify all the accounts, then you can pass correct journal entries. So please do not ignore this part. All of you friends, it's a sincere request, it's a humble request. Be precise with classification. If you can find more sums or more accounts to be classified from any of the books, do refer the books and try to solve them. If you want to know the names of additional books, do contact me, I'll let you know. Okay, till then those friends, I hope all of you will stay home, stay safe, take care, and we'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe this channel.